Seafood lover ba kayo mga millennials? Dito lang yan guys sa Red Crab located at 4th floor Jake Building, Lot 13, Block 5, Phil and Friendship Highway, Angeles City, Pampanga. So paano mga millennials? Let's G!
Grabe guys, ang lalaki na ang alimango. Only here at Red Crab located at Koreatown, Friendship.
Craving fresh, flavorful seafoods. At Red Crab, they serve the best oceans. Freshly caught, perfectly cooked, and bursting with flavor. From juicy shrimp and buttery crabs. Every bite tastes like the sea. We're fresh, meets delicious. Dine in, relax, and enjoy. Visit Red Crab today. Honey lemon shrimp, tempura, kangkong, garlic rice, garlic buttered crab, chili prawn. Sa itsura pa lang ng crab at amoy niya, grabe, magkikrave ka na talaga. Awesome! Sabayan pa natin na kanilang masarap na garlic rice. Awesome! Awesome! Usually, pag kumakain ako ng crab mga millennials, na-e-enjoy ko talaga siya kapag sinisip-sip ko. Naka-crack na guys ang garlic butter crab. Guys, pinagbalat na pala kami ng staff ng Red Crab para hindi na kami mahirapan sa mga seafoods, yung tipong e-enjoy na lang namin ang pagkain. At ang kanilang crispy and crunchy tempura, match sa kanyang perfect dip. Honey lemon shrimp na masarap. Alam niyo bang one of my favorite dish ang pork sisig? Di mawawala ang pork sisig since nasa Pampanga tayo. Kay chili prawn naman tayo mga millennials. Super laki ng kanyang tiger prawn and nagmatch talaga ang kanyang sauce. Awesome! Quality ang service ng staff ng Red Crab. For inquiries, mag-message lang sa kanilang Facebook page and paki-like and follow na rin. Thank you for watching mga millennials. Love, love, love!